Do you know how to introduce yourself easily? Hey, wait, stop scrolling for a second. Have you ever felt nervous when someone says, "Can you introduce yourself?" Your heart starts beating fast, your mind goes blank, and suddenly even your own name sounds difficult to say. Don't worry, because today I'm going to show you the easiest way to introduce yourself in English, naturally, confidently, and like a real human being. And trust me, after this, you'll never feel stuck again. So stay with me till the end because your confidence is about to change. Let's be honest, introducing yourself is something we all do in school, in interviews, at meetings, or even when making new friends. But most people make it complicated. They try to sound too perfect, too formal, too robotic, and that's where they go wrong. Because real communication is not about perfection, it's about connection. So today, we'll focus on simple sentences, natural flow, and real human tone. Let me make it super easy for you. A perfect self-introduction has just 5 simple parts: greeting, name, background, interests, and closing. That's it. Yes, it's that simple. Now, let's break it down slowly. Start with a smile in your voice. You can say hello, hi, good morning, good evening. Tip: don't sound robotic. Say it like you're talking to a friend. Example: hi, hello, nice to meet you. Pause. Let it feel natural. Now say your name. Simple. My name's Rahim. I'm Ria. This is Ahmed. Pro tip: use contractions to sound natural. Say I'm instead of I am. Example: hi, I'm Rahim. See? Short, easy, natural. Now give a little information about yourself. You can talk about where you're from, what you do, your studies or job. Example: I'm from Bangladesh. I'm a student. I work as a graphic designer. Combine sentences. Hi, I'm Rahim. I'm from Bangladesh and I'm a student. Nice, right? Now give a little emotion. Talk about what you love. Example: I love watching movies. I enjoy learning English. My hobbies are reading and traveling. Now you sound human. Want to sound even better? Add a small personal detail. Example: I'm currently working on improving my speaking skills. I'm trying to become more confident in communication. This shows growth. People love that. End your introduction smoothly. You can say, nice to meet you. Thank you. That's all about me. Example: nice to meet you. Thank you. Let's put everything together. Listen carefully. Hi, I'm Rahim. I'm from Bangladesh, and I'm a student. I really enjoy learning English and watching movies. Currently, I'm working on improving my speaking skills. Nice to meet you. See? Simple, natural, confident. Now repeat after me. Hi, I'm your name. I'm from your country. I'm a student or worker. I love your interest. Nice to meet you. Again, faster this time. Yes, that nervous feeling, it's normal. Everyone feels it, even fluent speakers. But here's the secret. Confidence comes from practice, not perfection. So practice daily, speak in front of a mirror, record your voice. Don't wait to be perfect. Start now. Imagine this. You walk into a room, someone smiles and says, "Tell me about yourself." Now you say, "Hi, I'm Rahim. I'm from Bangladesh. I'm currently a student and I love learning English. Nice to meet you." Boom, you did it. If you want to sound more advanced, try this. Hi, I'm Rahim. I'm from Bangladesh and I'm currently studying at university. I'm really passionate about learning English and improving my communication skills. In my free time, I enjoy watching movies and reading books. Nice to meet you. See the difference? More details, more confidence. Avoid these mistakes: speaking too fast, using difficult words, and memorizing like a robot. Instead, speak slowly, use simple words, and be natural. Listen, your voice matters. Your story matters. Don't be afraid to speak, because every fluent speaker was once a beginner. So start today. Start simple. Start now. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel, Speak English Fluently, because here we learn English the easy way. And remember, practice every day, speak without fear, and become confident. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next video.